Just want to get a little bit of a video of the frost for those that might be shut in. There's a little more frost here in the front than in the back. This be perfect for the fire pit. This frost. Like I said, there's more out front here than in the back. No sun there, it's a little darker, make it seem like it's more dark and cool. Just focusing in on the frost if you're wondering what I was focusing on. I don't know if we're going to see any birds or not, but we do hear some. Like I said, I'm focusing on some of the frost for the shut-ins that live in the warm weather like Hawaii, Africa, and any other climate that's always hot. There was frost in the back too, but a lot of it was gone because there's more sun back there. So I figured I'd come out front, and there's the fire pit for those that want to picture a fire with the frost. Good morning, birdie. Let's see if I can get this to zoom in. Not sure if I'm going to get much further than that. Let's see. There we go. Not sure what kind of bird it is. I don't want to fall off the porch to try and get a side view. Hey birdie, good morning. Thank you for paying us a visit. You gonna sing with the other birdies for us? I wish I knew what kind of bird you were. I'm gonna go towards some of the trees. I don't know if we'll see any birds. Thank you for still being here, Birdie, as I look in the trees for other birdies. Sorry, I got crazy with the phone for a minute. I wish I was able to identify some of the birds by their sounds. Where is it? Oh, gosh, I'm terrible with this when it's zoomed in. I don't think it's a sparrow. Tail looks too. Bye, Birdie. Look too big to be a sparrow. I'm gonna unzoom in because I feel like I'm drunk. And I've never been drunk. Don't want to be. Huh. They're normal. Looked like I was gonna fall off the porch. At first I was only going to do a 5 or 10 minute video of the frost, but then the bird came out, which I was glad, and hearing all these bird sounds, now getting some sun and beautiful sky in the video. There's a little bird in the ditch there. Fly away, birdie. Fell in the tree there somewhere. Oh, for those that are shut in, since I'm getting the lawnmower and the gas can, which are probably both empty, which is fine. Of gas, that is. You could picture the lawn being cut as you watch the frost. Except for a couple of days this week, we really haven't had too much rain. I think I caught that bird flying. I like that tree. Reminds me of a Christmas tree. Excuse me, I hiccuped. Get some more of the darkness and the frost for those that want it to feel like it's cold. Now we need a power wash. These things are expensive. We did have definitely one, maybe two power washes since we've been down here. It was our friends of our future brother-in-law did it, and I don't think they charged us. But no, it's nice of them if they didn't. But those power washes could be expensive unless you know people that will, do it for nothing, and then you could do maybe something for them for nothing. Maybe whether it be give them a couple of rides or treat them to lunch or something. And this pole here is, you see the rings on it. It holds flower pots. I'm not sure if that's a nest up there or not. We have a lot of birds and squirrels. So in one of my videos, somebody said it could be a squirrel nest in one of the trees. I didn't think of that. So it's either a bird's nest or a squirrel's nest, if it's even a nest. It's the middle tree that I see it in. Sounds like some of the birds are coming from the neighbor's yard. Just on the other side of the driveway with these trees here is a neighbor's yard. This one tree has some moss hanging from it. Not sure what the purpose of the moss is. There's another tree with some of the moss hanging out. The sun's in my face. With some moss hanging out of it. Like I said, I'm not sure what the purpose of it is. I didn't know what it was till we moved down here to Florida. Trying to get some of the sun for you guys. Sorry, we got the roof of the house. Well, I'm gonna say have a great day. Hope you at least enjoyed the bird sounds, if nothing else. Bye.